In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block or unblock someone in Microsoft Teams. If you need to limit communication with a specific person in Teams, this process is quick and easy. Blocking someone can help reduce unwanted messages or interruptions, and if you ever need to reverse it later, you can return to the same area and manage that setting. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can do it with confidence. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where your direct conversations and recent chats are listed. Make sure you're in the correct place before moving on, because the blocking option is tied to an individual chat or person in your conversation list. Once you're in chat, find the person or conversation you want to manage. Move your mouse over that person or chat thread. When you hover over it, additional options will appear. Look for the three dots, which is the More Options menu. This menu is where Teams keeps extra actions related to that conversation. So if you don't immediately see the setting you need, it's usually a good place to check. Click the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Block. As soon as you do that, Teams will apply the block to that person. This helps prevent further interaction through that chat, making it useful if you want more control over who can contact you. If your goal is to unblock someone instead, the process generally starts in the same place. Go back to chat, locate the person or conversation, open the three-dot menu again, and look for the option related to unblocking. In other words, the same menu you use to block someone is typically where you return to reverse that action later. A helpful tip is to take a second and confirm you're selecting the correct chat before clicking anything, especially if you have several conversations with similar names. That can save you from blocking the wrong person by mistake. And that's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Teams, go to chat, hover over the person or conversation, click the three dots, and choose block. If needed later, revisit that same menu to unblock them. It's a simple feature, but it can be very useful for keeping your team's experience organized and comfortable.